y'all, Bridget Bartlett here with visionmarketinganddesign.com, and today I am going to show you how you can create an image just like this one with the desktop view, the mobile view, and the tablet view. Now this is important just because it adds another layer of credibility to your marketing. It just looks more professional. It's much better for promoting my 5-day digital marketing boot camp than just having one single image here. So if you are new to online marketing and you're looking to scale your online business or even start your online business, go ahead and go to myvisionagency.com and register for my mentorship program. You'll receive the same tools and training that helped me quit my full-time job in just 7 months. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you exactly how you can create this image for yourself. So the tool that I'm going to use is called the Mockup Studio, and it's just one of the 30 plus tools inside the Builderall platform. Builderall has 30 plus tools, including a very, very simple, fast website builder, an unlimited email autoresponder. It has a social media scheduler, CRM, so many more tools. It would take me probably a month to show you all the tools that Builderall has available, and the Mockup Studio is one of them. So you can see there are all kinds of templates that we can use to create any type of image. We can create videos, and actually videos, it's super cool that if you are trying to promote a tutorial video and then you put it inside one of these images here, it just, when people are scrolling through, the goal with marketing is always to grab their attention, to attract their eyes. So you can see putting a video or an image inside one of these images just adds that extra layer of credibility, that extra layer of interest, and that's what we're trying to achieve. We want people to notice our business, okay? So the template we're going to choose today is this one. So I'm just going to click on that. And now you can see all we need to do to create this is just upload 3 images that are different sizes, okay? So if you hover over the first upload media button, it highlights the desktop and it says that we need a 1024 by 768. The second one is the mobile view and we need a 640 by 1136. And then the third one is the tablet view and we need a 768 by 1024. So to create those images, I just go to Canva. You can create a free account with canva.com. And I'm just going to type in the selected size, okay? So the first image that we need to create is going to be 1024 by 768. So you type that in there, and then I'm going to click Create Design. Now our template is the perfect size, and we just want to find a template here that piques our interest. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose this image. Now it automatically sizes this image to our template size. And we could edit this however we want. We can change the text simply by clicking the box and then typing the text in the field. But I'm not going to do a full-blown Canva tutorial. I just want to show you how you can simply use this to create the image for the Mockup Studio. So we're just going to leave this as it is. And then we are, for the sake of finding this simply, we're going to just call this 1024 by 768. And then we are going to download. Now the next image size that we need is 640 by 1136. So I'm going to come back to Canva, continue editing, and then I'm just going to resize. And I'm going to type that number in here to resize it. 640 by 1136, and I'm just going to click resize. Now I would actually edit this some. I would move this up a little bit, just make it look more like it made sense. But for the sake of time, I'm going to go ahead and just say that that's acceptable. And I'm just going to name this 640 by 1136. And then download. And we have one more size to go. So now 768 by 1024. Resize. By 1024, and then we are going to download. Okay, now that we have all 3 image sizes, we just need to simply upload the correct image to each of these buttons here. So we'll go ahead and do that now. So when you upload each image, you'll have the ability to scale it if it's not the perfect size. You can add color filters, titles, any kind of text that you like, change the font size, font family, the color, just a few more options here, bold, italic, and underline. But since our image looks good, we're just going to go ahead and click done, and we'll do the same for the rest. So now that we've uploaded all 3 of our images, we want to just click see mockup, and there we have our image. How cool does that look? Now you can use this in social media ads, on the cover of your Facebook page. You can use this on your website. It just makes really, really cool image, and like I said, adds another layer of credibility to your marketing. To download this image, you can choose different sizes here. If you want to choose the biggest one, click download. You can also share to Facebook, Twitter, or Pinterest. So if you're ready to jump in and create your own awesome image like this, you can check out Builderall for free at visionmarketingtools.com and get started building your online business. In addition, I will be your sponsor, so I have all kinds of bonuses and training for you as well. I will see you in my next video.